And welcome back to the Gerald Moses channel. Today we have a brand new video. We are going to convert Bitcoin to KLV with the Klever Wallet token. So swap can either mean convert or change. So I have some BTC in my wallet, some $30. So I'm going to convert it into KLV. So that literally means I'm going to buy KLV with the BTC I have on my past wallet. So obviously you must have a Klever wallet. So you click on your Klever wallet. If you don't have one, you can check my previous videos on the Klever playlist, and then you check how to open a new wallet or how to restore. So my portfolio right now is $35, as you can see, and the biggest amount is Bitcoin, obviously, as you can see. Or maybe let me refresh if the prices have increased or dropped. As you can see, the price is trying to rise a bit. So BTC is $31.83 at the time of this video. You know, the prices keep rising up and down. So to get swap is just next to it. Is the icon, is the second icon from your right hand. The second icon from your right hand that has an S, like kind of dollar. So here originally it shows swapping BTC to USDT, but we don't want to do that. We want to swap BTC to USDT. So you search for the token. Fortunately, we have KLV on top here. We also have SHIB. So this procedure I'm showing here, literally, is the same with swapping other tokens, BTC to USDT to BTT, a lot of other available swap options. It's literally the same. So I can either type here manually. Or I can just use BTC, or I can just use 25%. That's what I get. 75%. So if I click on 75%, it means I'm going to convert 0.0035 BTC to 506 KLV. So I'm going to use that. So I'm going to swap 75% of my Bitcoin to 500 KLV. You click on next. You choose the wallet. So I'm going to choose my main wallet, which is this. So there is the processing speed, there is regular, there is priority. Regular is here, you convert that, the fees are there, and also the small network fees, and there's also priority if you want it to be done. Let me see the difference between priority. Network fee for priority is 5.6, regular is 5.2. So let me go for 5.6. It's a small difference. So convert now. So obviously you have to put in your PIN or biometric. So we are converting. Your order was placed. The swap will proceed when the transaction confirms. Yeah, it's going to swap shortly. So it takes some minutes. So as you can see here, it took over 20 minutes to make the swap. So it has been confirmed after 20 minutes. That's really a long time. So as you can see now, my balance, you can go back to my balance. So my balance is here. My BTC, I didn't use everything. I remained with $4. So I scroll down to KLV, which is here. So the KLV has also reduced. I think they took some of it in the fees. Where is it? Let me reload it. It's here. I've received 489 KLV 6 minutes ago. So 20 minus 6, that's 14. So it took 15 minutes roughly to swap from BTC to KLV. So I have 489 KLV. So ladies and gentlemen, I've just shown you how to swap Bitcoin to KLV. So it's pretty the same way to swap any of these tokens. It's pretty the same way. So if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.